When ordering base cabinet organizers, you will need to know a couple of important cabinet opening measurements to ensure that the organizer will fit properly into your cabinets. In this video, I will explain how to figure out your specific cabinet opening measurement. The minimum cabinet opening measurement is listed under each cabinet organizer's description in the product details section on our website. You will generally find a minimum cabinet width, a minimum cabinet depth, and a minimum cabinet height as you see here. These measurements are the minimum required space that is needed for these products to be installed. Now, to find out if the product will fit into your cabinetry, you will need to first measure your cabinet opening. For the minimum cabinet width, place your tape measure against the hinge and measure either to the other hinge if it's a double door or to the innermost edge of the cabinet, and that will be your measurement. For the opening height, you will measure the same way, except going from top to bottom. This will be your height opening. And the final measurement you will need is the minimum cabinet opening depth. This measurement is from the rear of your inside of the cabinet to the front of the cabinet. Now, if you have an inset door, you would have to deduct that at this point because that door would take the space that is necessary for your product to fit.